Have you ever wondered how much of your flight is managed by artificial intelligence or AI? The answer might surprise you. Indeed, the dawn of AI in aviation dates back further than you might think, and it has been steadily revolutionizing the industry ever since. In the early stages, AI made its debut with the introduction of autopilot functions, a simple yet groundbreaking innovation. These systems allowed aircraft to maintain a steady course without constant manual control, introducing a new level of precision and safety. As technology evolved, so did AI's role in aviation. We saw the advent of flight management systems, a leap from basic autopilot. These systems, powered by AI, started assisting pilots in navigation, fuel management, and even in complex decision-making during flights. The transition from human-operated to AI-assisted navigation systems marked a significant milestone in aviation history. From simple autopilot functions to sophisticated flight management systems, AI has begun to take the aviation industry by storm. Fast forward to the present day, and AI's role in aviation has expanded significantly. Once a concept of the future, artificial intelligence is now a reality that's propelling the aerospace industry to new heights. Consider drone navigation, for instance. AI technologies enable drones to autonomously navigate complex environments, making deliveries, inspections, and even search and rescue operations more efficient and safe. In the realm of predictive maintenance, AI is a game-changer. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can predict potential malfunctions before they occur, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. And let's not forget air traffic control. By processing colossal amounts of real-time data, AI helps manage increasingly busy skies, improving both efficiency and accuracy. But the benefits of AI don't stop there. Improved fuel efficiency, personalized passenger experiences, and automated check-ins are just the tip of the iceberg. As we can see, AI is not just a part of modern aviation, it's at the heart of it. So, what does the future hold for AI in aviation? The possibilities are as vast as the sky itself. Imagine a world where flights are fully autonomous, with AI systems piloting aircraft from takeoff to touchdown, ensuring a smooth and safe journey. Air traffic management could also be revolutionized. AI could analyze real-time data to optimize flight paths, reducing delays and increasing efficiency. And it doesn't stop there. AI-driven innovations could transform aerospace design, using machine learning to create more efficient and sustainable aircraft. But with these advancements come challenges. As we trust AI with more responsibility, we must also ensure the highest level of safety and reliability. Regulations will need to evolve to keep pace with technology, and ethical considerations must be addressed. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to shape the aviation industry in ways we can only begin to imagine. From its humble beginnings to its current applications and future possibilities, AI has truly revolutionized aviation. We've taken a journey together, soaring from the early stages of AI in aviation, where it was a mere concept, to the present day, where it's an integral part of our air travel. We discovered how AI assists in things we often take for granted, like smooth takeoffs, effortless landings, and even the prediction of flight delays. It's amazing how far we've come, but the flight isn't over yet. The horizon is vast, and the possibilities are endless. We're looking at a future where AI might take the pilot's seat, revolutionizing aviation safety and efficiency. This is an ongoing evolution, an exciting journey that we're all part of. So buckle up and get ready for a future that's as boundless as the sky itself. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.